firstly go File, New, and write in those numbers, and then press OK. Well, I like to have the background black, but if you want to change it, you make sure it's white by clicking this, or editing it by clicking that, and you do this and left click the screen. I like black better as the background. So then you go New Layer, Transparent, and then Filters, Render, Lava. But this will change by the gradient on this button over here. So let's choose a good one. With your golden. And then you press keep selected. Selection, sorry. Make that down. Then use current layer, which is that. And the separate layer makes a new one, but because we already made one, we keep that there, like unticked. So we wait for it. This might take a while. And there you have it. But I like it darker, so I'll click that, click the biggest, and then go Overlay, and then you just do it over it by holding down the left mouse button. Try not to unclick it, because every click makes it darker or lighter if you have white. So if I click it again, it's darker, but I don't want it that dark, so I'll keep it like that. Okay, so we make a new layer, same thing, and then I want white, and I don't think it matters for gradient. So Render, Line Over. So it does, gradient does matter, so I'll make it like this, unless actually I might have something else. I think I'll make it rainbow, so do that, make it 200, and then I'll make that 100, that's 20. Yeah, okay, this will take a fair bit. There you go. So I can enlarge this layer if I wanted to. Just make sure that's clicked, and then maybe 3000. Do that, and it's bigger. So scaling. Usually that doesn't happen, but because my computer sucks, it happens. So I'll just wait for that to respond. There you go. And it's bigger. So I can just make sure, see how there's a little moving thing there? Make sure it's not there, make sure you just have that little moving. And so it actually moves this. Because if I did this, it moves the whole other layer behind it. So you just have to have that. So you're actually clicking the layer. So just try again up in the middle. And there you go. So that didn't go rainbow, but to fix that, we click that gradient, and then we go multiply, and then drag with your left mouse button. And then if you go diagonal, the gradient goes diagonal. So I'll just do it the other way now. It's the same thing with going down or left or right, whatever. It's just different. different colours here and just a bunch of colours there. So it looks a little good, except I think the gradients, the layer's not on the right spot, so I might move it a little bit. There you go. A little bit up. There you go. So we'll do a new layer, and then we'll do filter. Oh, this will. Wait, yeah, this will change it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this will change it. So we might have a different color for this flame that I'm about to do. We might make it very good golden. I'll make it this. Okay, normal. Pretty sure that should be normal. And I'll make it radial, so it's in the middle. So we'll go filters, render, nature, flame, and you got this. So as you can see, that thing changed it. I'm pretty sure I can still change it here. No. So if I refresh it, but we'll keep it. So let's see if I can have another one. Purple. Do purple. Flame. Okay. So bit purple is not. I reckon the other one's better. So let's go back. That one. I'll keep it as that. And there you have it. So, my edit, and you got all these, randomize, and this is what I had before, that's why it's same. So we can choose different ones, like swirl, waves, doesn't really look like a wave, but generally it's waves. Diamond, I don't know what the heck that is, but you just have to mess around with these. But I'm going to do what I had before. This is good, I like this. So I reckon that one. So if you click it, it will change it into the middle, and you keep clicking the middle and it'll be ones that are similar, but that one's good. I'll choose that one. So okay, and just make it a little bit brighter. Okay, there you go. So I think I'll put that behind here, so it's like that. Actually, no, I'll put it in front, it's better. And then I will move it into the middle. About that, that's the middle. Oop. Okay, so we'll do a new layer. Filters, lights and shadow, supernova. So I'll put it in the middle, like kind of middle, because we'll move it later. We'll make it white. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Radius, just making it bigger. Strokes, I'll just put some up and see what. And there it is. So there we can move it to the middle. I think I made it a little bit too big, so we'll click the scale tool, then make sure that the layer is clicked, and then okay, so I want to make it smaller, make sure that is connected, make sure it's connected, and I'm going to make it 1400. And you left click this, So what I did, if I can undo it, no I can't undo it. So I had this, if I change this to 1300 and that's clicked, then if you left click this, it will make it even. So make sure when that's clicked and you change this, you left click that as well. So it previews it how big it will be. I reckon that'll be good. And there it is. So we put that in the middle. Okay. So we might add some more stuff in because it feels a little bit plain. So actually, see how the lighting is a bit off? I might just take that away. So we'll just get the rubber and just rub this part out. And if you wanted it straight, you click it once and then you hold down shift and this will happen. It'll make sure you do it in a straight line. Then I want to use the smudge tool just to smudge out the lighting so it's not all like that. Actually, just need to make it a little bit rubbed out so it changes it. So now I can smudge it. So now the lighting is different. Yeah, it looks a little bit weird. Let's try again. There you go. Looks a bit better. So now we get the new layer and we will add another flame. So we edit and I'm going to choose waves. Where did it go? Somewhere. There it is. So randomize, and actually shouldn't I make it different color? No, I'll keep it the same color. The other one looks pretty cool. Get that one. That's drawing it. There we go. So I'll move that to the right. All the way over here. Actually I might edit it. Might rub out the rest. So the parts I don't want. Like that. Okay, I'll just keep that in. I'll move it over there. It looks pretty cool. So I'm just gonna turn it. So I just used the turning tool. You click that and then you left click with the layer there, left click it and then turn it. There we go. And then what I'm going to do is copy the layer just by going Control C and then making a new layer. And what I mean is that if you paste the layer on the same layer and you try to move it over here, it just disappears. So you don't do that. So just cancel that. So on the new layer, you paste it, and then you can move it around as much as you like. Oh, if you actually click it right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it over so it's the same as that. So by using that tool, you just switch it on the other side. So let's put that over there, and you have to try to get it the same spot as that one. It's about right. So yeah, I'll left click there outside and it's done. So there you have it. This is how you save it. So I'll just call it picture 2. And then I can select the file by extension, and then I want JPEG. And export 100% quality, save. There you have it. Okay, I'm going to show you how to crop this car and put it in this background. So first we copy it, Control C also works, then Control V here, or right click, edit and go paste. So there you have it. And you can try this for, magic wand tool and just pull it up. That's the threshold, so it matters how much it will cover. And if I lower it, it'll do like that much. But I already tried it before, so we're going to use the noose tool, and we're just going to crop this out manually. So you just click, left click it, and you just follow where you want it to be cropped. So this will take a fair bit. You can also draw in a line, but that's harder. Clicking is way easier. And if you make a mistake, you can hold down the left mouse button and move that into place. It also shows you what else, if you got it all right. Then you just place it where you want. And now the car's cropped. So what you do is you go Control C to copy it, and I'll just create a new one. I'll make it just the usual paraments. And the car's there. So now I'll just close this. I'll just leave that, and then I'll just go make a new one, and I'll copy this image and paste it. Okay, I don't think it fits. Okay, well that's good enough. So now I can zoom in and then copy this car. So copy it and then paste it here. Now it's a bit small, so I'm going to enlarge it using that tool. Make sure that's clicked, and I'll try 1000, and it will be that big, so I'll make it a little bit less, 1800. Oh wait, 800, sorry. There. Now I want it going the other side, so it looks like it's driving off the cliff. So I'll use this tool and it'll just switch it around like that. So now I can just move it into place, but I'm just going to angle it a bit. And there you go. It's like, looks like it's driving off the cliff, kinda. Good enough. And that's how you crop.